Hello, and welcome to training on how to edit existing lead sources within your IQ office. This is an administrator or manager function, and unless you are in the system as an administrator or an admin, you will not have access to this section of IQ Office. Once you're logged into your IQ Office, click on the Admin button in the lower left-hand corner, and then scroll down until you see the Sources option underneath the Leads header. Click on the Sources option to open up your main source dashboard. From here, you can edit the sources by clicking on the pencil next to the lead source. From here, the easiest way to understand this form is to start at the bottom of the form and work your way up. If you would like the user group of agents to agree to terms before they accept the lead, you can enter the terms into the text box and then select Yes from this dropdown. If you do not want the agent to agree to terms before they accept the lead, simply leave the default as No underneath the Must Agree to Terms. The status code section shows what the initial lead status as it enters the lead router will be, and if it is set direct to a user, what that lead status will be. The status code list below that lets you know what status codes will be available for the agent to assign to the lead. If you are using a vendor within the system, you can attach vendors to leads as well. If you would like leads to be available as direct to user, choose Yes from the drop-down. If there is no response from the direct to user, choose what you would like the lead to do. You have the option to route as a new lead, route assigned to the admin, or route to the default user. The acceptance period for a direct to user can be chosen from the drop-down. The smallest time frame currently is 5 minutes. Select if you would like the lead router to check the blacklist for lead halting before it routes the lead. Your default user settings allow for you to override the lead routing for certain lead types. Things like request an education class, website feedback forms, or learn more about becoming an agent are examples of when you would use a default user. If you want these leads to go to the default user before going into the lead router, make sure to select Send to Default User First, Yes. Then choose the response that you would like if the default user does not respond. You have the option to assign to an administrator or to route as a new lead. You can select the default user by using the magnifying glass and selecting the agent or staff person within your organization who will be the default user. The Office Manager notifications let you choose if the Office Manager is notified when a new lead comes in. And the top section is the general information about the lead source. What the title as it comes in will be, who the user group is that the leads will be routed to, who is the administrator of the lead, so that if the default user does not respond, that will be the administrator who gets the lead, as well as general acceptance periods, referral fees if applicable, if it defaults to a buyer or a seller. You also have the option to choose a lead race agent count. You can have leads go out to one agent at a time by selecting 0. However, you can also have them go out to groups of 2, 4, 9, 10, all at the same time, and the first one to respond to the lead will get the lead capture. If you would like a notification to go out to an agent or staff person other than the office manager, you can type that person's name here. If a lead is marked dead, choose what you would like to have happen with the lead. Your options are to return to broker for confirmation or to have no confirmation. If you would like the lead to stay in the same office as the first user it is offered to, mark this option as yes. If you would like it to continue through all of the available agents based on the user group, leave this marked as no. Once you've made all of your changes, click on the Save button in the lower right-hand corner and then on the Close button to go back to the main lead source dashboard. This has been training on how to edit an existing lead source within IQ Office. We are in the business of helping you to work smarter, and we hope you make it a great day.